quite a while ago, around 1980, 81, I was in graduate school, and at that time I was allowed to go through a lumber yard's old dump, and they were in existence since the Civil War, and they had imported quite a few logs, and some of the logs were exotics. In this case, what I'm holding is a piece of East Indian Rosewood, and it's part of an old stump that had a lot of decay in the center, and also it had a lot of sapwoods, that sort of thing. But I was able to haul it out, and for years it stayed as a stump. Eventually I got a chainsaw and I cut it so that it would be a lot lighter. So I kind of sectioned it off in about 4 pieces, maybe 5. And a lot of the wood I salvaged from this dump I used to take to my high school shop, and the kids were able to use it as accent pieces, inlays, and such, plugs, that sort of thing. Well, wanted to get around to really dressing up and finishing this lumber, so I've been doing this. So this is how a lot of it looked until I cut it apart. And I have a lot of really nice pieces out of it. As you can see, this is a beautiful piece, and I've been able to get a number of really nice usable pieces. I will probably still use this as accents, but if I'm doing something small, like maybe a jewelry box or small mirror frame, this would be nice wood to use. So I'm kind of excited. Something I've been meaning to do to get this stump all milled. And this is another larger piece. These pieces, you can see how you can still see a lot of decay and calcium deposits here. But on this side, you can see how nice it is. So I'll finish milling this and look at my design collections and look at a design that I might want to use some of this East Indian Rosewood with. But it's exciting. The interesting thing, as hard and heavy as it does machine well. It planes well and it chisels well. My spoke shaves cut really well with it also. So it's actually a pleasure to use. It has a rosewood smell to it that's very distinctive.